Contestant number 3. So, galing tayo ng Taytay. Punta naman tayo ngayon sa Subic. Ladies and gentlemen, we give you from Masinloc, Barangay Baloganon champion, and also known as Chinito Baladir. Also, senior to. So, ladies and gentlemen, we give you Richard Sumido. Palakpakan naman natin dyan, ladies and gentlemen. Mamaya ka na namin kausapin. Mamaya na lang, okay.
Ay, si Richard.
Anong gagamitin ng singer dito? Nung singer ang gagamitin ng singer?
Pwede, kakausapin ba natin muna to?
Mamaya na daw, para para persado ang kanyang boses.
Okay.
So ready na? Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we are on to the 4th weekly elimination of Empire Got Your Talent. Palakpakan ulit natin from Subic, Zambales, Richard Sumido.
Cover speech.
Come to me and take my hand and be my lady. Truly I must let you know that I'm in love with you. All I want is you, how I need you. So please be my lady. Maybe you could use the pain if you just tell me. See the words that long to whisper that I want to hear. Something's on your mind, is it there? In your smile, my lady. Don't forget the past, it's time to melt your broken heart. No one else can find us now. So find peace in your eyes. I'll let you stop us now. I'll leave you all night. You're the one that I adore. So just believe me. I can never fly the courage to resist no flaw. Nothing's more divine than each moment. You are be my baby. Cause forget the past, it's time to make your broken heart. No one's behind us now. The tears in your eyes, nothing can stop us now. I'll give you all that I have. Be my lady. The sun shines through your heart, and when you start, when you leave me each day, through the rest of my life, it's like the burning one, it's like the burning one, my love is forever.
Yan, okay.
Contestant number 3 from Subic, Zambales, Richard Sumido. Magandang
Richard, baba ka na ba? Masyadong malapit. Si Richard, kilala ko to eh. Oo. Nakakalaban ko sa singing contest ako.
Ano mo, minsan siguro sa ano natin, baka pwedeng bigyan mo naman kami ng sample ng ano. Medyo ano kami.
Wala problema.
Oo, medyo